Now for this truck, I would recommend to remove the headrest. You don't have to, but it's better if it's not in there. Okay guys, now we're gonna be removing the front seats, and let me show you the process here. So basically we're gonna have our Torx 50 and our clip puller and a flat screwdriver. This is very simple guys. Right here in the front we have two Torx. We're gonna be taking off this, just like so. To the other side. Okay, we have those. Then we're gonna make, by pulling the lever down there, we're gonna expose two more in the back. Very simple removal guys. Same process. There you have the Torx 50. Now for this truck, I would recommend to remove the headrest. You don't have to, but it's better if it's not in there. Okay, that one is off. All you have to do is pull this right here and pull it up. Now we're gonna send back our seat so we can level the trucks again, more or less like that. And we're gonna access underneath. Let me show you here guys. So we're gonna have the wire harness right there. So what we have to do is get underneath this section and pry the clip so it releases. For the airbag, I go underneath here, put it slightly, and the release of the clip is done. And for this one, it has another release tab right here. Just push right there. And it has a second clip right here. There. And there you have it. All we have to do is get it off the truck. But that was the removal guys. For your front seat, we're gonna work in the back. Okay guys, for the rear, this is the double cab. The Crewmax has more leg room, so it might be slightly different. It might be the same, I don't really remember. But you're gonna have two 15s, one in each side for the long seat, which is the 60. We call it 60/40 because the other section is smaller than the big one. So this one is the 60. And we have two bolts in the bottom, one right here, one over there. And in the small section is the same. So is the only two bolts that are holding this seat. We're gonna get them off. That's one. That's two. Now you're gonna release your lever in top, just so you can unlatch the lean back. There is one more detail in this one. It is the center seat belt. This one right here. Let me show you that seat belt. It's very simple, guys. So for this one, what we have is a little tab let me set this camera here, is this section right here. It has a little slit, so you just press that with the flat screwdriver and it releases the seat belt. So once we have the latch loose for the release of the lean back, just like this, and the cushion, now we can get it off the vehicle. Let me put this camera back here so I can show you how it's done. Right there. And all we're gonna do is pull up. If you think you don't have the ability to do it that way, I recommend to put a blanket in the plastic section so you don't scratch it. But that's what it was. It's 4 bolts in total. I heard some versions having a 14 millimeters. You just check if you have the 14 or the 15 millimeter bolts. And that was your removal, guys, for the seats. Now we're gonna continue with the removal of the covers, the loading, the fully trimming, and the reinstallation is obviously just the inverted or the reverse mode.